Lauderdale County, there are currently 444 cases. Almost 40% of those cases are from the last 2 weeks. The North Alabama Medical Center told Way 31 that despite the spike in cases, it is treating fewer than 15 coronavirus patients. Way 31's Brecken Terry spoke with the CEO of the hospital to find out how they are handling the coronavirus.
CEO Russell Pigg wouldn't tell me much about the coronavirus inpatients here at the hospital, not their ages or their conditions, but he did tell me that they are being treated in a specialized coronavirus unit that's kept separate from other ICU patients.
The nurses that work there and the caregivers that work there are isolated to those patients.
I asked Pigg for specific numbers on coronavirus inpatients, their ages, and their conditions. He wouldn't go into detail, but said they're working with several agencies during the pandemic.
We are a private hospital, but just like all other hospitals, we're reporting daily to the state, and we're working closely with the CDC and state officials and Dr. Landers on this pandemic that we're dealing with.
Alabama requires hospitals to have a state-approved plan ready to go if ICU units or the hospital in general becomes overrun with patients. While some hospitals disclose this information, others don't. NAMC chooses not to release theirs. I asked Pigg what his message is to people who feel the hospital isn't transparent with the public.
Our message to the community is, again, our COVID patients are in the hospital with us on a daily basis. They're going to stay with us for the foreseeable future. We've adapted every part of this hospital to take care of COVID patients while we're taking care of heart attacks and strokes and other patients that need us.
Pigg said all of the doctors and nurses deserve all of the praise they can get for fighting the virus on the front lines. In Florence, Brecken Terry, Way 31 News.